Yo, what's going on folks? Retrospective Dave here, and in this video we're going to be legit checking the I'm a Year Jordan 3 while you were sleeping. Now if this is your first time visiting the channel and you ordered this sneaker from StockX, Go, or Flight Club, I do my best to provide you with detailed legit checks so you can rest assured that you got what you intended to pay for, which I presume is an authentic sneaker. So if this type of content piques your interest, definitely consider subscribing. Enough of the intro, let's get to the info. So first, you want to check the chip behind the box label. The adhesive behind the box label is very strong, so if you're trying to peel the label back, as long as you're careful, you should be able to do so without damaging the box. So as always, be sure to check your footbed. Make sure that you have a woven footbed. Normally when I talk about this part of the shoe, I usually point out little details such as your size that's printed in reverse on the footbed. But with this particular shoe, that is not the case this time around because we probably have a new detail added, which is the phrase, while you were sleeping. Now for legit checking purposes, make sure that the print on the footbed looks like it was done with a number 2 pencil. Reason why I say that is because the color of the print is actually in a dark gray or graphite color. It's definitely not bold or black like what you would get with an ink pen, so definitely pay attention to that detail. So as far as the insoles go, we do have polyurethane this time around. We do not have the Dream Cell insoles. Your insoles will most likely feature AJ11 or AJ3. In this case, mine features both. You will also have the shoe size that you will wear in a men's shoe printed on that insole, so pay attention to that detail. Additionally, you will have a metallic silver stamp on both insoles. So one more thing to note about the insoles, we do not have sizing stickers this time around, so if you order this shoe and you have sizing stickers on your insoles, especially if you get them in the United States, consider that a red flag. All right, folks, moving on to the factory code. So my factory code reads VW1 and it was produced in Vietnam. I got these off of the Sneakers app via exclusive access, so if you have a different factory code on your pair, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you wear a kid size and you'll most likely have IW2 as your factory code, don't quote me on that. I'm just speaking from experience off of past releases. Also, I don't know how limited this release actually was, so depending on how limited it is, you might have several factory codes like LNM or LN4, LN3, but if this is a very limited release, then we'll probably only be limited to VW1. Not tracking any SV pairs at the moment, but if I have that information later, I will definitely keep you all updated. As far as production dates go, the dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones on your pair. However, the dates on your pair should match between your left and right shoe. In the event that your dates do not match, that doesn't mean that your pair is automatically fake. However, it is becoming the standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. Also take note that both sneakers will come stuffed with shoe paper. We do not have cardboard inserts this time around. You will also receive 2 sets of laces, and here's a visual of how both laces should look straight out of the box. So you can also do a rock test by placing your sneakers on a flat surface, and when you tap the top of both shoes, you will notice that the right one rocks back and forth, the left one will not. This is a very effective legit checking method that a lot of people don't use anymore, but I still use it, and the reason being is because a lot of the counterfeit companies do not replicate this very well, so it doesn't hurt to apply this to your legit checking methods. And moving on to the box, there are no stickers or stamps underneath the box lid. You will have one YCM sticker inside of the box. You will also have a burgundy cloth inside of the box. Please check your boxes to see if you have any dye stains inside. I know mine came with a few dye stains, so assuming if you have the legit pairs, then you might have some staining inside of your box. Also, there are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, and flat pewter. So of course, there is some debate going on which one is better between the original I'm a Year Jordan 3 and the second installment Air Jordan 3. Personally, I like the While You Were Sleeping Jordan 3 colorway a little bit more than I like the white pair or the Raised by Women Air Jordan 3. I do think that the concept of the Raised by Women shoe is a little bit more relatable, which is why it was sneaker of the year back in 2021. This one didn't have the luxury of going first, so of course people are going to put the first one over the second one. No one likes sequels like that. But anyway, I do think this is a nice shoe. I think that pictures online do not do the shoe justice. You have to see it in hand, and it looks like people are starting to be a little bit more receptive of this shoe actually now that they're out. So the energy has definitely changed from when pictures first surfaced online, but I do think that both of them are great shoes, and I'm happy to have both of them in my collection. So if you enjoyed this legit check of the I'm a Year Jordan 3 while you were sleeping, definitely give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.